Hello friends, thank you once again and welcome to you in our YouTube channel Interview Points. So in this video I am going to talk about how to create login form. Okay, so I have created in the last video I have created Windows application for POS. So in this video I am going to create with login form. So first we need to design this login form like this, and I am going to enter some dummy data into the user table so I can fetch that data and login and write logic for login form. Okay, so now let's get started. So first I'm going to open my project. So this is the project that I have created in the previous video. So I'm just going to rename this application. Okay, okay, demo pos windows app, windows app. Okay, so this is the application and I am going to rename this by default one form. So frm login. So I'm just renaming this form is renaming. Before that I am going to create two folders in this application. Just add new folder. So first one is BAL, business logic, for writing business logic, and another one is for DAL, data access layer, DAL. So in this folder I am going to create all the forms. Okay, so just one more things I am going to use folder here, entity classes. For this I'm going to use this entity. So just I'm going to design this form for the login. So first we need to go click on the properties. So just I'm going to rename this. So I'm going to change here login here. So this is the login here. I don't want this. I want first I'm going to run this application. So now let's see how it looks like. Okay, so now it is looking like this. Okay, so I'm just stopping this. Now design this application, click on the properties. Okay, so what default location will be the center, and I don't want this icon. Okay, so for that I have a we have a properties control box. We don't want, we want to remove this control. So just okay. So now if I will run this, now it will be open into the center screen. Now you can see it will be seen into the center screen. Okay, so now I need some button for here. Just click on common controls, one button here and one label here, and also text box. Okay. So these are the things that I need. So first I need to design it. So I can username. Okay, so I'll set the properties, font size. So it will be good. Txt password. Okay, so I have just designed this form. Okay, so now design this button. First I'm going to design this button. I want font bold tab. Okay, I want one more thing, for color I want white, and back color I want green for the login button. Okay, so this is the green button. Okay, so text should be login. Okay, so just copy this button, paste. I also give the name of this button BTN button close, and this will be the button login. Okay, just click on this button. So this will create one event, just button click event. So for this close button, I want to just close this form. So this dot close, just write like that. I want to write the logic for this. Okay, so how I will get the, so first we need to insert some dummy data here and enter some dummy data into the user table. After that I am going to write the logic for the login form. Okay, so first open my SQL server. So I'm going to use this database that I have created in the previous video. The user table, I want to enter some data. So this is the user table. Now you can see there is no data in this table. Okay, so this is a table. I am going to add the insert query. So first name, last name, username, password, email is active, and registration date. These parameters I am going to pass. Just insert. So one row is affected. Now you can see the data. Now I am getting that data. First name is DK, last name Gautam, username is admin, password is admin123, mobile number haven't provided, email test@gmail.com is active, true. 1 means true and 0 means false. Okay, registration date is 22 and 2019. So this is the date, today's date. So now I'm going to write the logic for that. Okay, so first of all, what I want to do, I am going to create one class in the DAL. So in this DAL, I am going to click on it, add. So I am giving the name is the class name as DB access. Okay, so DBA double C access. So this class I have created. In this, I want to write some logic for the database access. So first of all, I am going to, so this is the class. So I need SQL connection and SQL data reader. So first of all, private, I need this variable I have created. So I need two method for the opening the connection and closing the connection. So first of all, I need to write a log. I need to write a function for the open connections. So I'm just going to create a function. Okay, so private static void. So I'm going to create the private function, private and static open connection. One more I need for the closed connection here. Guys, this is the most important things you need to take care of. Don't miss this. So first of all, I'm just writing the try and catch block. Guys, you should use always try and catch block. Okay, it is very important. I hope you know this try and catch block. If you don't know, please watch my videos on the C# tutorial. You will get that. Okay. So first of all, I need to check it if OBJ connection. Okay. So OBJ connection. So this is the connection. Actually, the problem is I am writing outside this class, so I need to put these things inside this class. Okay, sorry, I forget these things. So now I am going to OBJ connection is equal to new SQL connection. So I need to pass some connection string here. Okay, so now to pass connection string, I need data source. I hope you know what is data source and what is all these things. Data source, and one more things I need, that is called initial catalog. Initial catalog, initial catalog. Okay, one more things, user ID, and after that password. So user ID, okay, and password. So I need to enter some password here, 12345 6. My SQL Server password is 12345 6. Username is SA. I need the SQL, that database name that I have created. So this is my database name, demo POS. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. So initial catalog is nothing but database name. So data source, it is the most important thing. So how you will get data source? Just click on it, database engine. So this is your data source, or you can see here, this is the server name. Okay, so just copy and paste. Okay, so this is the connection string URL. So this is okay, you are getting this. For that, just you need to use this. Now the error is removed. Okay, okay, so this is the connection string that I have created. Now I need to open this connection. So obj connection dot open. Okay, for closing the connection. So one more things, for I need to also write some else part. So for that I need to copy these things, but if obj connection dot state, I need to check the state of the connection is it is. So this is the if condition. If not open, then go here, just copy and paste it here. So these are the things I need to do. For the closing the connection, I need to write some logic also. So this is the closing the connection. So I am going to write the if condition here also. If obj connection is equal to null. Okay, so inside it, but what I need here, not. Okay, okay, it is giving error. So just put brackets here. Okay, now error is gone. So if obj connection state connection dot state equal to dot dispose, also disposing the connection. Okay, so just build this program. So this is, I'm done with this. Now go to the login form. Just here I need this, I don't want this pop-up message, so I need to write some logic here in the login form. Okay, so in the login form, so first I need to check this condition. If the user edition that I am going to use, if it is not empty, then I want to proceed this, else I want to give the error message or password. Okay, so this is the warning message. So warning. Okay, so if it is not empty, then I want to proceed it. So just what I want to do here, I'm just creating one data table dt. Okay, is equal to new data table. Okay, so in the dt, what I want here, I want to get this, I want to call that function on execute. So one more function I want to create, that is the db for the accessing, for filling the data table. So for filling the data table, I need to create this one method here. Okay, so I am giving the name it as fill data table. So I need it after that. So public static data table. I'm giving the name fill data table. Okay guys, so I'm going to pass two parameters here. First one is string, first one is query, that is SQL query, and data table is okay. So now you can see I'm getting some error here, so I need to pass some references. So I need this user namespace system.data. Okay, so the error is gone. For this is the returning data table. So if I will write here return table, okay, now you can see error is gone. So these all the things I need into the try catch block. Okay, try and catch. So I need it here and here also. Here I want to return null because I'm getting here some error. So I need to write the logic here. Okay, so first one I need to open the connection. So I have created open connection, that is I have created the function, that is the open connection function. So I need to call this to open the connection. After that, what I want to do here, I want one things is I need to create the object data adapter. So obj data adapter that I have created above, you can see in obj data adapter and connection that I already created, is equal to new SQL data adapter. Now I want to pass this query here. So query comma obj connection. Okay, these two things I need to pass here. After that, obj data table, sorry, obj data adapter. So this is the data adapter to fill dot fill. So I will get that all the values in this table. After that, obj data adapter dot dispose. Okay. So guys, I know I am hoping that you already know these all the things. So just after that, here my task is done. So what I need to do, I need to close the connection. Close the connection. So I'm going to call this. So after any operation, first you need to open the connection. If your operation is done, you don't forget to close the connection. Okay, it is the best practice to close the connection after a task is done. Okay, so this is the, so now I am going to call these things in the in here in the login form. So what I need to do here, so just I want to call this. So now I'm getting an error, so it needs to be, so if I will do one thing here, so that is db okay. So first I need to write a query. So select asterisk from TV user. So that is my query. where username is equal to something and password is equal to something. Okay, so after that what I want, so after that I need to pass this dt. Okay, these things I need to do. So now you can see. Okay, so if I will do, actually I have created this method here, so I need to give the reference here. So if I will give the reference, so I can give dv access dot. Okay, so for this I need one more thing here. This is also trim. Okay, so now if this is succeeded, so I need to give the message. So login successful. Okay, congrats. Okay guys, so what is the things? First of all, I need to check if, so what I am going to check here, sorry, so here, if else. Okay guys, so what I want to do here, in the if parts, I need to check this dt not equal to null, not equal to null, and also I want dt dot rows dot count. So dot count greater than 0, it should be greater than 0. At this position I want to give this message. Okay, either I want one warning message, in that message I want to print username or password incorrect. Okay, username or password incorrect. So just I'm going to build this. Now run it. So first we need to check what is the username and password that I have created. So now you can see username is admin and password is 123. Okay guys, so username is admin and go here. So if I will run, now it should go inside it. Okay, now it is going inside it. Okay, so okay, something is wrong. So username or password incorrect. So what is the password? I'm just going to copy this password from here. Username is also admin. So I need to check this is the admin username, password is admin. Okay. So I think I am getting some error with the database access. So I need to check the exception in the connection string. So this is not data source. Actually, I forget it. It is a typo mistake. Data source. Okay, if I will go here again, set the next string. Okay. So now again click on it. So now connection is open, so I hope everything is working fine. Congrats, login successful. Okay, so if I will click here one, I am giving the wrong password, so now I'm just removing this, and so username or password incorrect. Okay, so if I will give some random things, it will not be small, so it will also open here. So as we know, password is case sensitive thing, so here case sensitive. So I need to do one thing in the query, that is collab function I need to do. So what I want to do here, so I just need to write here one things, that is okay, co collect things, and one more thing, and the thing is active. So the candidate who is active I want to log in with. So this is now active candidate. So now active is equal to 1. Okay, it means it should be active. So admin, now I'm giving in the small letter. So now you can see here, if I will give here a capital, now I think admin. So I think some typo mistake is here. Okay, see A T E A T E. Okay. So this is the typo mistake here. So now A is small, I want to log in. Okay, so now click, give the capital A. Now you can see I am able to log in. Okay. So one more things, it will be just need to update TV user set is active is equal to 0. So now this user is not activated, so I don't want to log in. So I want to log in only the activated user. So now I am going to log in. You can see username or password incorrect. Okay, so like that we will get these things. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. And so if I will do one more thing, if I will not pass here anything, so I will get please enter username or password. So this is all the functionality, how we can write the logic for the login functionality, and how I can design the login form. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and looking forward to the next video. Thank you guys.